Well, an Athens man is facing multiple charges related to an animal cruelty case in Greene County.
The Greene County Sheriff's Office says George Chrysomalis kept dozens of animals in terrible conditions. Investigators, along with the Columbia Green Humane Society, searched a property on Limekiln Road in Athens where 18 dogs, 6 cows, 12 goats, several cats, and dozens of fowl were found. These photos show some of the animals emaciated, just horrible. Chrysomalis is facing animal cruelty charges and is due in Athens Town Court at a later date.